This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I am at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center for a sneak peek of the 2025 Jacksonville RV MegaShow. It's the final day of setups for the Jacksonville RV MegaShow, and excitement is building as the final touches come together. RVs of every shape and size are lined up, with dealers and exhibitors making last-minute adjustments to ensure a seamless show experience. This event brings together an incredible selection of RVs for every type of traveler. Walking through the setup, you can see a variety of models, from sleek Class B camper vans to compact towables, from spacious fifth wheels to spacious Super Cs and everything in between. The energy is high as dealers set up displays and make sure every RV is set to impress. This is Northeast Florida's largest RV show, featuring hundreds of RVs from multiple dealers, allowing visitors to compare models, brands, and floor plans all in one place. Whether you're looking for a full-time home on wheels or a weekend getaway camper, there's something for every lifestyle. The 2025 RVs on display are showcasing high-end finishes, innovative layouts, and smart technology. From luxurious Class A rigs with full-size kitchens and king-size beds to family-friendly Class C motorhomes with bunk options, these RVs redefine life on the road. Towable RVs are also a major highlight of the show. Travel trailers and fifth wheels are lined up, showcasing their lightweight builds and residential style amenities. For adventurers who want something compact and maneuverable, teardrop trailers offer great solutions. There are also plenty of vendor booths with everything related to RVing. RV resorts, aftermarket products, and accessory vendors are all setting up to help visitors plan their next adventure. The excitement isn't just about shopping. There are also giveaways, including daily drawings for $250 gift cards. As setups continue, everything is falling into place for an incredible show. Tomorrow, the gates will open and visitors will get to explore the latest RV models, connect with experts, and find amazing deals. Get ready, Northeast Florida. The Jacksonville RV MegaShow is about to begin. The 2025 Jacksonville RV MegaShow is being held at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center February 6th through 9th. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 to 5:30 and Sunday from 9 to 4. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of amazing Florida attractions, state parks, and RV resorts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.